What about compound time signatures? This is where a bit is divided into threes. The bit is going to be a dotted bit, or we can say a dotted value. We can have, for example, a dotted crochet and a dotted crochet, the two of them. For example, if they be in a bar, so you're going to have the bit divided into three equal knots. So if it is a dotted crochet, it's going to be 3 quavers. We are going to have like 6 quavers in each and every bar. For you to have a compound type signature, you are going to have figures which are on top, like 6, 9 and 12. And you'll see that for you to find how many bits are there, you are going to divide 6 by 3, which is going to give you 2. These are the number of bits. And then we have 3, and then we have 4. So we'll have 2 dotted bits. Here we have 3 dotted bits, and when it is 12, we have 4 dotted bits. So that's going to tell you that each and every bit, or we can say each and every time signature, can either be in 2s, in 3s, or in 4s. Whether it be simple or it be compound, it can be divided into 2s, into 3s, or into 4s. And it will tell us something about the time signatures. Let's see first of all the examples of the compound time signature. The first example is 6/8, and in 6/8 we have 6 notes, and these 6 notes are quavers. So we have 6 quavers in a bar. And for us to get the number of beats, we'll see that we divide this 6 by 3, which is going to give us 2 dotted beats in a bar. So it will be 2 dotted beats in a bar, where in each and every dotted beat we are going to divide into 3s for us to get the 6 quavers in a bar. So we have that. We can also have another example like 9/8. 9/8 will have 9, we can say 3 dotted beats in a bar. And in simple time, we can define it as 9 quavers in a bar. Here we have 9 quavers in a bar. Then we can also see we have 12, a time signature like 12/8, and 12/8 will have 4. We'll have 4 dotted beats in a bar. So it means that we'll have 12 quavers in a bar. You can also see that the lower value is not only going to be 8. We can have others like 4. For example, you can have 6/4, where here in this case, you are going to have 6 crochet beats in a bar. This is going to be 6 crochets in a bar. And we can also see how they come. There will be dotted minims, 2 dotted minims in a bar. You can also find 9/4. You can also find 12/4, which is rarely being used. These are rare case. We can also find the ones which the lower value are 16. We can have like 6/16. We can have 9/16. We can also have 12/16. If it is 6/16, we are going to have 6 semiquavers in a bar. Now, for you to find that 6 semiquavers in a bar, it will be how many dotted notes? They are dotted quaver notes. They are going to be simplified by 2 dotted quaver notes. So in short, if the upper value is 6, the number of beats, the number of dotted beats will be 2. And if the upper value is 9, the number of dotted beats will be 3. If the upper value is 12, the number of dotted beats will be 4. So in short, whether it be simple or it be compound, the beats themselves, they can be either be 2, they can be 3, or they can be 4. If the number of bits are 2, we are going to say this one is a duple time. And if the number of bits are 3, we are going to say this one is a triple time. If the number of bits are 4, we can say this one is a quadruple time. So the number of bits for the compound will be determined by dividing that upper value by 3 for you to get the dotted bit. So if you have, for example, a time signature like 2, 4, we are going to say this one is a simple duple time. If we have 3, 4, it is going to be a simple triple time. If it is 4, 4, it is going to be a simple quadruple time. Now, those are for the simple time. If you have upper values for the compound time, for example, if you have 6, 8, the upper value is 6, we can say this one is a compound duple time. If it is 9, 8, for example, we are going, the upper value is 9, we are going to say it is a compound triple time. And if it is a 12, 8, the upper value is 12, we can say it is a compound quadruple time. And that's how at least you can define the time signatures, whether it be simple or it be compound time signature.